Part 2 of the showroom. This is the 6150 done in the other color of Windfall, which is the Windfall Cactus. We just left off with the flax. You know, we did the raisin. Now this is the cactus color. Great new plaid on the 2940. It's called Georgetown. That's the new 610 chair done in a fabric pattern. The 4350, which was done in a special. And then that's the leather. Here is the other color of band, which is the olive. The 5100 series is being discontinued. The 4930 done in another color of celia. I think it's called chestnut. $53.50, $53.70. That's a new plaid. And the 4900 here. And some new plaids on the 900 series. There's the Visco. This is the new chair that you saw made up before as a swivel. Now it's done as a stationary chair. It's the 830 chair. We redid the 750 chair, which is being dropped, is now going to be replaced by the 410 chair. It's a lot more weight to it. Another smaller scale chair that we're doing as a rocker, a recliner, a swivel, or power. By the way, this chair is a pushback recliner. New cotton print on the 4000. And then we turned around and took it over here and put it on the 530 sofa. $11.50 series. This is a new group for us called the 2530. That there again, that's the band cinder. Comes in solids, comes in plaids, as you can see the plaid chair that's there. And then we're also showing it made up in a plaid as a sofa. New pattern on the 540 sleeper. $31.50 made up in a new cover called Chloe. Here's another new plaid on the 2220. The 3000 done as a solid, done as a plaid, and then a new series for us called the 1530. That is available as a recliner. Could be a lift chair, could be a swivel recliner. That is cover called Chloe on here. And then we're looking at it made up in Durally Navy. New plaid. The 6600 made up in the Telluride. And then come over to here, take a look at the 7910 series done in the new color of Farley. And then this just gives you an idea of our twin full queen, what is available of the 300 series. Then you got the 140 series. Then you got the 800 series. And then you have the 859, which comes in the two size story, full and queen only. And then this is the 8230 reclining sofa. Now we're into motion. $29.40 made up in a new plaid. The 2010 leather, and that just shows you all of our reclining chairs are available as a lift. Here is the 6700, and the fabric that's laying on the back there is a new pattern called Pinto Tobacco, which is a version of Palomino. Looks just like Palomino, but it's a D grade. 3010 sectional that was done. The sectional is done in Gunslinger. This is Telluride. Then we get into the 7200 done in the Trump. That's the Cocoa. 7300 as a 5-piece sectional done in the Romance. Then the 7300 done in the Wyatt Dune. And then the 7200 in leather. Then we have one more new style, which is the 1660 series made up in the Renew. This is the recycled leather. That's the Java that's on there. We're adding another color called Bourbon. The Java is available for immediate delivery, and so is the Putty. The back to the Bourbon will be available probably in about 6 weeks. We will be then adding 3 more colors, which will be a black, an ivory, and a whiskey color, but those will probably take about 90 days to get in. And this is a new fabric called Handsome. Looks just like Bella. This will eventually be our Bella replacement. Handsome Brown Sugar, the Handsome Java, and then there's a burgundy color. And we are England, a lazy boy company.